Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Hey! So I'm back again guys with another reaction video with my baby sister. Her recommendation. So we'll be watching basically a funny video of funny dog videos that's supposed to make her stomach ache from laughing. So let's see.
I'm ready. He is saying he had enough.
I love those dogs.
I love you.
Is that their neighbor? Is that their neighbor? I did not know.
No, I think the dog noticed that she had that thing, but she probably thinks she dropped it. But he noticed now, so she probably.
If you're happy and you know it, do a smile. If you're happy and you know it, do a smile. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a smile.
Oh, puppies. That one is still laying down.
No. Oh, that's a nice looking dog.
Are those winter what are they called?
I don't know my pets. I just know that dog looks so cute. Look at him.
I
Oh
think
my
those
gosh.
are one of the winter dogs.
Get down, fiddling, get down, bow. Kick off shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Hurry up. You're like, hurry up.
Come here, puppy. You can do it. Come here, puppy.
Is she gonna leave?
Come here.
Jerky.
Well, come here.
Yeah.
Se murió el perrito. Se murió.
Dog is still trying to do anything. Oh, those are just one of those Asian little cute.
Oh. Look at
They
him
hold their heads
getting
and just
groomed. Look at him. Or she. Groomed. Oh.
Yeah, that's a different.
Oh no, get out of my house. Your foot is shaking.
Eating on it. Sign me some. I could see you looking. You don't want to be
Your
caught.
foot is shaking.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey.
Foot is shaking and stuff, man.
Going on?
No, no, no! No!
I think those dogs are so cute.
He trying to get water. Oh no.
You're funny.
Dogs are so funny. He's messing with his own tail.
Why you gotta do stuff like that?
When a dog thinks he's his own best friend, the table plant.
Did you fall asleep playing with your toy?
Oh, he's tired, or she? This dog is tired.
Your banana really awkwardly?
Let's go for a walk, Winston. Yep, this is working great.
Oh.
What? I can't.
He talking in his sleep.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh. Maya.
Did
you destroy your carrot?
What? 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 I swear to God. Oh my God.
The dog ain't scared of you.
Oh, I think I saw this.
Oh, that's gonna be cold. Oh, that's gonna be cold. It's foot, man.
I saw that before it killed.
Oh, I used to do that when I was younger. Be buried under the sand.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, he's fat.
Yeah, they haven't come up in soap side. Oh, the dog's clean.
Those dogs like
It's not a chihuahua.
one of them. Like,
Oh, what he fell into?
a hole.
Or
Like
she?
they dig. That.
That look a German Shepherd in the back. Oh, that's why he closed the door. As you guys can see, that was some funny videos of dogs. Funny videos of dogs 2020 videos. So it was funny than I thought. It was funny. I laughed. I chuckled.
Thanks.
She laughed. But thank you so much. Thanks to my sister for being a special guest here and her recommendation to these videos. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Ciao.
Bye.